Good morning children. Today we are going to see the check yourself, the answers, some of the answers which is difficult I am going to give you. This one, the first one, fill in the blanks. Here you have to use the property and solve here. Okay, now here if you see, I told you to observe the numbers, the other side of left side and the right side of the equal symbol. Here equal symbol is here and you will observe the numbers which is missing on the other side, that you will fill up. So now if you observe here 2782 is here and it is also here. But now 1212 it is not this side. So you have to write here 1212. Okay, so this is the way you have to find out which is missing, that way you will write. And here you know the property of 0. If you add any number with 0, the sum is the number itself. So in here the fill in the blanks, this answer only will, this number only will be coming. Again, when you add 1 with any number, the sum is the successor. So with this, the successor will be after 50, the successor is 51. So the answer will be 3251. Again, if you see here, this is 3 numbers are here. So this one was only 2 numbers and this was commutative property and this is group property, that is associative property. So here also you have to observe which number is missing, and here you see here 508 is here, but here it is given 509. So it is a printing mistake, so you have to change this one into 508. Okay, so and this also the same way you have to do. Find which is missing on the other and fill the answer. Now the second one, solve, and here already the numbers are arranged in the places, so just you have to add and write the answers only. So the same way you write in your copy and add and write the answers. So it is nothing difficult. Okay, now the third one, if you see, solve the following sums in your notebook. It is given, and here the numbers are given but it is not arranged in places. So when you write in your copy, you will arrange them in its place like one after the other. For the first one, 2461, and down you write 4582. Like this you will arrange them in columns and you will add and write. Okay, so this is the way you have to write these sums. Okay, now the fourth one, here you need not to arrange them in columns. This is because they are asking you to add horizontally. So what you have to do, this one and this one, that you have to add and write here in the ones place in the answer. So here 8 plus 0, it will be 8 only. So in ones place you will write 8. Again, tens you will add. Here in tens place 0 is here and here in tens place 6 is here. So if you add 0 plus 6, it is 6. So you will write here in tens place 6. Again in hundreds place, here it is 4 and here it is 2. So this 2 if you will add, so 2 plus 4, 6. That's all. There is no number in thousands place, so you will leave it. Suppose when you add the hundreds place, if you get 2 digits, suppose you are getting 12. So in that 2 you will write it in hundreds place and the 1 you will write it in the thousands place. That way you have to fill up this one. So this one you need not write, need not to arrange them in column. Directly you can write the answer. Okay, the next one, finding the approximate answers. They have asked you to find only the approximate answers. They have not asked the actual sum. Only the approximate sum they have asked. So this one, how will you do? Means this number first you arrange them in column 754. The first one I am giving 754 plus 68. So you arrange them in column like this. Then you add. Now if you add, what you will get? 4 plus 8, 12. So 2 you will write here, 1 you will carry here. Now 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. So 2 you will write here and 1 you will carry here, 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, so now the answer you have got 822. This one you will now find the approximate answer. So the approximation will be, how do you find this one? 3 digit. So I have told you to round off to the nearest 100. So to the round off to the nearest 100, you will circle the number in hundreds place. So 8, and you will observe the next number right side. So that is 2. So this is less than 5. Since it is less than 5, then you will not add anything here. So you will write this 8 as it is. And this right side, these 2 digits will become 0. So this is the answer, approximate answer. So this is the way you have to do. First you add the numbers, then only the sum what you are getting, that you round off to the nearest 100. Again, this is a little bit tough one, no? Finding the missing number. So missing addend you have learned, no? The same way only you will do. To find the missing addend, you minus the sum from the addend given. Okay, now suppose if you take here, now the B1 I am teaching here. See, now you take this ones place alone. If you take this ones place alone, so here this is one addend and this is another addend and this is the sum. Okay, now this addend is missing. So you have to fill the answer in this addend place. So to find that, what I told you, from the sum, this is the sum, from here you have to minus the addend given. So here the addend is 3. Okay, so I am taking the one, only the ones place. Okay, so from the sum you have to minus the addend. But here in the sum only 0 is there. So how can I minus 3 from 0? Don't think that way. So if it is 0 is there, then you take it this one as 10. You take it this one as 10. So 10 will be the sum, and from this sum you have to minus 3. So if you minus 3, 10 minus 3, what you will get? 7. So 7 will come in this gap. 7 will come in this gap. Okay. So now to find the next one, again here you have to be careful. See, 3 plus 7, 10, isn't it? So we have got it. So this 1 now we have to carry here, isn't it? So this 1 will come to the tens place. So now here also this number is missing. So you have to find this number, missing number. So to find that, I told you to minus the sum from this addend. So here, if 0 is there, I told you to take it as 10. So since it is 10, so this is rough work only. Okay, what I am writing this 1. So don't write it. This is rough work only. Only what number you are filling, that one only you have to write. Other things you need not write. That is just rough work. Okay, now 10, from 10 you have to minus, not just 4. This carryover 1 also is there. That also you have to add. 4 plus 1, 5. So this 5 you will minus from 10. So 10 minus 5 you will get 5. So 5 only will be this missing number. Again, now to the next digit when you go, this 1, no, 1 is there, this 10, no, because this 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10 you have. So only 0 will be here. So this 1 you will carry here to the next place. So to the hundreds place you will carry. Now you have to find this number, missing addend, no. So to find that, from the sum is here 0. Okay, so I told 0 comes means you will take it as 10. So from this 10 you have to minus this addend. So already carry over 1 is there, that also you add it now. 4 plus 1, 5. So that 5 you will minus from this 10. So 10 minus 5, 5. So here the missing number is 5. Again this 1 we have, no, so this 1 will be carried here. So now 3 plus 1, 4. This number is now 4 here. So to find this missing number, this sum is 5. From 5 we will minus this 4. So 5 minus 4, 1. So here the number is 1. This is the way you have to do. Okay, so here also 0 comes. So you have to be careful. 0. So 0, when 0 comes, you will take it. This is as 10. And you will minus from this number and write. And this 1 again you have to carry to the next place. That way you try. Okay, if you don't understand, you can ask me. Those who are not understand, you can message me. Then I will once again I will explain. Okay, and if you can bring the copies to the school. Only if, 1 or 2 only is bringing. If you bring, it is better than correcting online. It is better if I correct your copy. It will be well and good. So bring your copies to the school. Okay, thank you. And problems already I have explained, no? Last video I had explained the problems. So you can do by yourself. So this is I am not going to explain now. So problem, just you look at the previous video and do it. Thank you.